Stay tuned to find out how to make this garden centerpiece. First, you want to start off with the empty frame without the glass, with just the paper backing in it. You'll add your hot glue around the frame and then glue down your floral moss. You'll want to continue to glue down the moss until you have the majority of the frame covered. Work in small sections with the hot glue so that it doesn't dry before you get to add your floral moss to it. Once you get done adding your moss, you'll start to add your stones. You'll work in small sections as you did with the moss, adding your hot glue, and then adding your stones one by one. Once you get done with your bigger stones, you can start to add your pebbles. Because these are a little bit smaller, you can add them more than one at a time by adding your hot glue and then dropping them onto the hot glue. Next, we're going to make our well. You'll want to take some oven baked clay and add in some puff paint. The color can be of your choice, and then mix it together. Once you get the color mixed in, you'll go ahead and roll it into a long rope. Once you get it rolled out as long as it'll go without breaking, you'll use a round canister to wrap the rope around and create the well. Continue to add on pieces until you get the height that you desire. It should look something like this. Once it comes out of the oven, it should be hard. After it cools, you'll glue it down to the frame. Next, I'm adding this golden colored sand that is extremely fine. I'm adding my hot glue down and then just pouring the sand right over it to cover all of the glue. You can add it in any pattern that you want. And here is the finished garden centerpiece. I really like the contrast of the different stones as well as the floral moss. This will make a really pretty centerpiece at a garden party. And of course, inside the well, you can add a candle. I didn't have a candle of this size that I could add to it, but you guys get the picture. What do you guys think of the garden centerpiece? Thank you guys for joining me for another video this week. I'm sorry the video is up a day late, but I wanted to make sure that I got this video out, so I appreciate you sticking with me. Make sure you stay tuned for the videos I have coming up in the future. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you guys have a great day and keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.